Everybody's talking about Teslas, but what if yours just won't start? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know what to do. Let's get into it. First, check your key card, phone, or fob. If your Tesla can't detect your key, it won't start. Try using the backup key card against the center console. Still stuck? Your battery could be low. Yes, Teslas have a regular 12-volt battery just like other cars. If it's dead, the car won't power up, even if your main battery is charged. Next, look at your touchscreen. If it's black or frozen, hold down both scroll wheels on your steering wheel for about 10 seconds. This soft resets the system. Also, check for error messages on the screen. Sometimes the car will tell you what's wrong, like a door not fully closed or a software update. If nothing works, don't force it. Call Tesla roadside support. They're used to this and can walk you through the next steps. Remember, with a little patience, most Tesla Model 3 issues are quick fixes. Stay calm, follow these tips, and you'll be back on the road in no time.